I have an order to buy above this bull bar, um, big gap down, and buy signal on bar one. So I think it's a reasonable swing buy. Obviously, it won't hold if it doesn't look right on the entry bar and follow through bar. But if we get another good bull bar, then I'd be more convinced to hold for a bit longer. I had my order here to get out break even, but I just haven't made up my mind. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do here, but I know I don't have that long to make up my mind. Okay, so I just exited half. And I'll leave the rest. I didn't know what to do there. I thought it was still okay for the swing above bar one because even though the entry bar wasn't amazing, there's a bull body and we're so overextended to the downside after the big gap down. So, but at the same time, bar two wasn't the entry bar I was hoping for. So there were reasons on both sides. Put my order here $1 above my entry to see if I can get out. So obviously it would have been nice to have all 7 shares, but I'm okay with that decision to exit half because I was undecided about what to do. Got filled there for 4 shares at $1, so $4. Oh, and I think I made 12 cents on the other 3 shares. So 412 total. Yeah, so I'll have to. I think the template I had in my head was looking for a good entry bar, and then I kind of knew what to expect. So I kind of had the sequence in my head for a good bar one and bar two. And once we got the doji, I just kind of became undecided about what I wanted to do, and that's why I had to exit half, just for a little bit of peace of mind. So that kind of messed me up in terms of the template I had, and then I had to figure out how I wanted to manage it. So I decided to exit half. So overall, still happy with the trade, but I want to look into this and figure out exactly how I want to manage these in the future, just so that I don't have to make a decision on the spot. I bought above this bar. We had a strong move up here, pull back in 2 legs, and then a double bottom and a breakout follow through. So after the follow through bar, I saw it as a breakout in high one and bought above that bar. Looking to get out half at about 40 cents, and then the other half, I'll see if we get a strong breakout. I got filled on 4 there. That's actually the measured move target, so I think it's a reasonable area to get out of all of it. I'll move my stop to break even, and I'll consider getting out everything if it closes around the measured move target. Measured move from this low to this high. So if we close around there, it might mean that it's respecting it, and then we have to pull back a little bit. And it's also a second leg up from this breakout. So breakout, pause, and second leg. So I ended up closing out the whole thing. The reason I stayed in is because as I accelerated up, there's a chance that it becomes a big bull bar, potentially as big as this one or even bigger. So I didn't want to get out of all at that measured move target, even though I thought it was reasonable to do so. But once we closed right below the measured move target, I had my target at 345.93, and the bar closed at 345.87, so right under it. So that made me think that we might be respecting it and we might need to pull back. So decided to exit the full thing there, and now it's 692 for the day.